Welcome to Würth Canada's payment portal. This is where you can see and organize all your open and closed invoices. Easily make a payment online for one or multiple invoices with just a few clicks. Let's start from the beginning. First, we have to go to your account page by clicking My Account or the person icon. Log in if you haven't already done so. Alright, at the hub of My Accounts page at the bottom right, you will find View and Pay Invoices. Click here. This is our payment portal. Let's take a walk through all the features. At the top, it shows your open balance. The table below shows your open invoices. Our table is customizable so you can see exactly what you want. If you'd like to see your closed invoices as well, click the slider here. All previously paid invoices are now visible. See more or less invoice records by changing this value here. Use the filters to organize your invoices. Sort by invoice number, amount, or any other option. If you are looking for a particular invoice, use our search feature. Quick and easy. Also, feel free to download any invoice or export this whole table and open it in Excel. Alright, let's make a payment. Click on one or multiple invoices you want to pay. The total amount accumulated will be shown here. When you're ready, click Pay Invoices. The selected invoices will be listed and totaled here on the left. Add or select the credit card you want to use. If you're adding a credit card, fill in the standard information and agree to the terms. We accept all major credit cards, but not Visa debit or prepaid cards. Lastly, click the Pay button. You will be notified when your payment is successful. Come back anytime and continue using this quick and easy payment method.